This is a bulldozer. It pushes dirt and rocks. The machines work as a team. The bulldozer pushes the dirt and rocks to the yellow excavator. The orange excavator puts the dirt and rocks into a dump truck. My dad runs the big orange excavator. And so do I. The dump truck dumps the dirt and rocks into a big pile. The dump truck works with another team of machines. A bulldozer pushes and the loader lifts. My machines work as a team just like my dad's do. At last, the loader lifts the dirt and rocks into a big truck. And so do I.